problem. They've had a rodent problem before because they got stations. Now the problem you have here is you have a station that's not approved for exterior. It needs to have a weight on it at the bottom. And we're going to show you what that one looks like. This is the problem with people being able to buy rodenticide online, being able to buy rodent stations. They won't spend the $20, $30 for the good station. They'll spend $9 on this, put it outside. And here's what happens. The rodenticide is inside. In this heat, that rodenticide could split, break. The rodents could tear it apart. And then a child comes and does this and shakes the rodent out, or the pet plays with the box, is able to lift it and shake out the rodenticide, and then this is how we end up with rodenticide poisoning. And this is why it was removed from the market for a lot of people. This is why nobody's allowed to get it in small quantities anymore, because of the risk, because of things like this that get done. Not a good idea. See, there's one upside down. This is exactly what I'm talking about.